Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting collaboration. In this video, we will dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and type into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Gemini? Gemini is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams for work faster and more effectively. So let's get started. You have just to click over Chat with Gemini and you will find this page as you can see. We have the terms under privacy, and we have also here data and Gemini application, and you have some privacy that you have to read after getting started. So for example, we have here what data is collected and how it's used. We have how human reviewers improve Google AI. Then we have here how Gemini application activity works with other services and settings. Then we have also here additional data handling as your device assistant. Then we have also here Gemini gets help from Google Assistant, speaking to Gemini, supplemental features. Then we have terms of service, and you click over use Gemini and you get started with the platform, which is this one. So we have the home page as you can see. So all you have to do right now is to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and send it to your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails, draw email, and create tasks that synthetics with Google Tasks. Finally, you have just to explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. I will show you how you can do that. You will just click over settings here and you click over extensions as you can see. And we have a various information that you have to know. For example, we have here Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. The magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Then we have turn Gemini extension on off or off for all time. You have on conversation many extensions. Then we have here Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. Then we have here also the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. And the price information, you can just click learn more to more understand. Then you have just to scroll down like that. And you'll find here Google Workspace. And also we have Google Flight, Google Hotels, you have it Google Maps, YouTube Music as well. So for example, if I will just talk right now about Google Workspace, this is how I do this video for talking about Google Workspace. Then you have your Google Maps, YouTube, and YouTube. So that's it. For example, I will just choose these three options that I will explain you. For example, we have here about Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, Google Tasks. And then we have Google Maps and YouTube. About this one, you have just to find, summarize, and get quick information from your content in Gmail, documents, Drive, and more. And then we have here also about Google Maps. Tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. You have YouTube, discover YouTube videos, and get answers about them. All right. So I will just click over New Shot, and I will just select here, for example, this one. As you can see, for example, I will just select. For example, I will select Gmail and I will write inread. For example, inread emails, as you can see. For example, inread emails. And you'll find here to inread emails, as you can see. Have you access in emails? Let's just waiting for it. If you don't have any inread emails, you'll find here I couldn't find anything. Alright, so let's just waiting for it. You just search about it. Here we have 3 inread emails, and your device is using your account of Gemini. Then we have ClickUp verification code. You have last chance of to save 20%, and you can just get more here, as you can see. Then let's just give another example. For example, let's just go to YouTube and let's just select best videos for the last year. For example, the last year, the last month, or the last week. We'll just write the last month. So let's just waiting for it. And here are some of the most popular videos from YouTube in the last month. Then also let's just select another one. I will select right now, for example, here we'll just go to Google Drive and I'll select folders that I have. If I have folder, I don't remember if I haven't, that I have. Then I will click over enter and you will find folder. If it 16 you have it, I found the following folders in your Google Drive: my drive, taxes, AI images. And right now let's just give another example for Google Maps. For example, I will just search, for example, McDonald's in New York, for example, New York. Then here are some McDonald's locations in New York. We have here this one, and we have also here details, as you can see. All right. Also, you can here upload image if you want. Also, if you want to use microphone, and you can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful to use Gemini because it's very helpful to use it. All right. So let's just search for. I will just write right now Gmail, and I will click over here. And you'll find here all things that you have on Gmail. All right. So let's just search in here, and let's waiting for the responses. And here we have the response. I found 30 emails in your email. I read, and we have the read one, and we have a various also options that you have to know about. Some details here. Also, I will just select another one. For example, I will select here. For example, I will select Google Drive, Google Docs folder that I have. All right. I could not find any Google Docs folders in your drive, so that's why we don't have any folder of Google Docs. Right now, let's just give a last example, which is YouTube, and which is best or bad music last year, for example. There are some music videos that were popular last year. As you can see, we have bad music last year. YouTube, what is the most disliked? And you can also hear various options if you want more, if you want to double check response, if you want to share export by using draft in Gmail, and also if you want to just click over here, visit by the response, and good response, you click over here. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.